Hi, welcome to American School of English Language. Guys, today I'm going to give you a brief introduction of what is English grammar, how many parts it has. Then I will talk about each individual part in detail in my next video. But before we move on, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you could receive weekly updates about my new videos. So let's move on, guys. What is English grammar is, guys? Guys, English grammar refers to the way words are used, classified, and structured together forming coherent. Coherent means logical and reasonable. Written or spoken communication. English grammar has three parts, guys. Parts of speech, inflection, and syntax. So usually students think about part of speech only. They usually talk about part. Part of speech only just one part of English grammar, right? It is not the whole English grammar, right? Each of these is a discrete. Discrete means separate, individual part, but they are intrinsically linked together in meaning in our English reading. So let's talk about the part of speech now. What is part of speech? Guys, part of speech are the categories basically to which different words are assigned based on their meanings, structure, and function in a sentence. The part of speech has seven parts: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverb, preposition, and conjunction. We will discuss them in our next videos, guys, each of them in detail. Because the whole purpose of this channel is not to make you memorize the definition, what is noun or pronoun, but make you how to implement these in our English. That's the main goal. Okay, there are other categories of words that do not easily fit in with the rest, such as particles, determiners, articles, interjection, and adjective. They're not basically the part of speech, but they actually work like part of speech. So we can also think they are like a semi-part of speech, right? Like they're also like subcategory of parts of speech. By understanding the part of speech, we can better understand how and why we structure words together to form sentences. Let's move on to the other part of grammar noise, inflection. What is inflection, guys? Inflection is the process by which words are changed to create new specific meanings. There are two categories of inflection, guys. One is conjugation, one is declension. What is conjugation, guy? Conjugation refers to the inflection of a verb. When we change the verb from the present tense to past tense is an example of conjugation. Like go is present form, went is past form, and gone is past participle. That's the conjugation of a verb. Go. Same thing. Eat is the present form of verb. Ate. Ate is the past form of the verb eat, and eaten is the past participle form of verb eat. So that is the conjugation of a verb eat. So what is declension, guy? Declension refers to the inflection of nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and adverbs. When we make a noun plural to show that there are more than one, or when we change the degree of an adjective from comparative to superlative, is an example of declension, right? Flower is a noun, right? It's singular, right? If we make say flowers, it become plural. So that's the declension of a noun flower. The same thing, beautiful is an adjective. If we say more beautiful or most beautiful, these are the declension of adjective beautiful. Okay, good. Let's move on to the third part of English grammar, that is syntax. What is syntax, guy? Guys, this is a very important part of English grammar. If we want to improve our writing, then we need to focus on this part. It shows us how we formulate sentences. So syntax focuses on the rules and pattern that govern how we structure sentences. There are following categories in the syntax. First is subjects and predicates. Second one is modifiers, phrases, clauses, and then sentences. Each of them have different types. Sentences are of different types. Clauses are of different types. Phrases them are of different types. Modifiers also of different. We will discuss them in detail in our separate videos. So thank you very much for listening to me, guys. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, and if you like the video, please share it.